Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this and I created the rainbow with the contour tool, and the gentleman I'm trying to help actually traced it and thought it would be easy to blend it. Well, this is the way it looks when it blends. And if we open up the blend docker, go to effects and blend, and if we select this, the blend tool doesn't even come up. That's because there's 3 objects selected and you can only blend 2. So there's something wrong with the drawing. So what I always do is, if you look, this arrow is going right to left, this one's going left to right. So we need to reverse them. So we can grab that, we can right click and reverse subpath. Now they're going the same direction. But if you look, there's 2 lines here. So we need to correct that first, because so it'll blend. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and grab the other side, and then grab that right there, and I can just grab them all and go right here to, well, we'll have to go to Windows and Dockers and join curves and make that all one piece. But it's still not going to blend good because they're not, even though one's smaller, if you look right here, this has a curlicue. Even if you take out that node, but you're changing the curvature, and it's still not going to be perfect. Then if we get rid of these 2 nodes, as long as it doesn't affect it, and get rid of these 3 nodes, see it, and it affected it. So let's just try doing these 2. But if we grab these 2 objects now, the blend comes up, we blend them, we still get a really messed up line. The blend tool, much like the contour tool, is going to just keep making, if something's off, it's going to multiply the part that's off. So what I would do in this case, I would Control D and make a duplicate, make the duplicate red by right clicking, holding down the shift key and bringing it in, and then trying to put this on top of that other one. And you can see it's quite a bit different, but it's going to be more of a perfect fit. So if we take away now, and it's still going to fit inside of his picture, I'm pretty sure. We'll go ahead and make this one black again by right clicking. Now we're going to select it all and blend it the 4 times, and you get equal amounts. And see, that's what he's trying to do. If you can notice the side of the heel on this side, and of course it's smaller or bigger than the one I'm doing, where this heel comes down and this is kind of flat. So he can still do his rainbow. I would just take, he's going to have a line there from his other layer. But if you look, we can make a rainbow. I'm not going to try to make a rainbow. Started thinking the other day, it's, all the colors of the rainbow, what are they in Corel? But that's a blend problem. You've got to be, everything's got to be perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.